Here are the top 5 screen recorders that you can use it for free to record your videos in HD quality, and also you can get access to various features. Let's begin the countdown from number 5. On number 5 we have Ezvid. Ezvid claims to be the world's easiest screen recorder, and that may not too be far from the truth. Ezvid's clarity is enhanced by the product's speed, specifically designed to save users time. It will help you produce and upload videos directly to YouTube in a matter of minutes. That is why the tool enjoys among gamers and movie fans who are interested in frequently making video clips in the quickest manner possible. Here are some pros and cons of this video recorder. First, let's talk about the pros. Offers computer-generated speech for narrative purpose, automatic high-quality resolution about 1280 x 720p HD, speed control over output videos, sleek and modern interface, instantaneous upload to YouTube. And if we talk about the cons, we have reviewers reports extraneous noise, minor bugs and inconsistencies. Full game is not available. Number 4. Camstudio. Camstudio is a good choice for one-time or occasional users with minimal editing needs. This lightweight open-source screen recording software creates video in AVI format that can later be converted to SWF. While its compactness appeals to some, others call for further development and increased technical support. Here are some pros and cons of this Camstudio. Let's talk about the pros. Creates a screen-in-screen video. Allows you to create small-sized files, custom cursors. And if we talk about the cons, reported to speed, harmful viruses and malware. Output to only AVI with conversion to Flash. Output is incompatible with certain browsers. Audio fails, out of syncs. Lack of interactive and animation features. Number 3. Sharex. Sharex is an open source ad-free tool that boasts almost as many custom features as some paid software screen recorders. Sharex is more targeted toward developers and powerful users, so an average customer might get lost in the many advanced tools and editors. If you talk about the pros, records full screen video, monitor, region, freehand or scrolling, incorporates hotkeys for easier and quicker navigation, supports many URL sharing services, importing existing videos, music or photos, allows custom watermarks and color effects. And now let's talk about the cons. Low quality of game recording, complicated for average user, no web recording, reported to fail while uploading large files, no video editor. Number 2. DVDvideosoft's free screen video recorder. Free screen video recorder is a full-feature but lightweight free screen recorder from a developer known for its free conversion software. It can record Skype conversation with no limits, and it is therefore useful for Skype interviews and online conference call. Also, different Windows application can be slimed out and captured as a discrete element. Included is a basic user-friendly image editor that is surprisingly helpful for attaining a polished look. If you talk about the pros, offers a convenient screenshot feature, different modes for recording screen and video, suitable for recording Skype conversation, set up by instruction provided on the website, available in 10 languages. Output formats include MP4, BMP, TGA, JPE, PNG and GIF. And let's talk about the cons. If you talk about the cons, microphone sound recording only, exclusive and excessive ads may interrupt your work. Saves recording to AVI format only. Lags current interface and built-in media player. May install unwanted software during download. Does not notify us if disconnection occurs. And as we approach the number one Freecam, the number one is Freecam. Freecam is a very simple free screen recorder with a built-in audio video editor. The interactive and attractive intuitive interface allows you to create screencasts with the ease of a professional. Even though this software is free, it doesn't place any watermark and is ad-free. Here are some pros of this software. No watermark, no time limits or no ads. Records voiceovers and computer sounds, high quality resolution. Users can save videos as WMV or upload them directly to YouTube. Easily deletes unwanted video fragments, removes background noise, wide selection of audio effects. And if you talk about the cons, here are some. Saves recording to WMV only. WMV is a file format or video format, and also it does not provide no web recording. We hope you have enjoyed this video and you have found some great information today. If you really did enjoy this video, don't forget to hit that like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to 10-Second PC for more technological updates. Thanks for watching.